In example 3, we want to write in complete sentences how you would solve 6x plus 8 plus 2x is greater than negative 9 and give the correct answer. So I'm going to go ahead and write the problem on the left. We have 6x plus 8 plus 2x is greater than negative 9, and I'm going to do my writing on the right. So if I take a look at my problem, the first thing I would want to do is combine my like terms. So 6x and 2x on this left-hand side I can add together, and that will give me 8x. So I get 8x plus 8 is greater than negative 9. Now I'm going to stop and I'm going to write down what I just did. So first, combine like terms on the left by adding 6x and 2x. Now if I come back to my work, on the left-hand side, I have x being multiplied by 8 and adding 8 to it. So the opposite of adding 8, since I have to get rid of that first, would be to subtract 8. So I'm going to subtract 8 on the left, which means I also have to subtract 8 on the right. Doing that gives me 8x is greater than negative 17. Now let's write that sentence. We could say next, subtract 8 from both sides to get 8x is greater than negative 17. Now if I come back over to the left, the next thing I have to get rid of is this 8 that's being multiplied, and the opposite of multiplication would be to divide. So I'm going to divide by 8 on the left, which means I also have to divide by 8 on the right. And I get x is greater than negative 17 over 8. So let's finish this up. Finally, divide both sides by 8. My answer is x is greater than negative 17 over 8. Remember, I do want you to write out this sign right here. Don't use this inequality symbol. You need to write it out so that I know you know what inequality sign you're actually using. If you have any questions, please raise your hand and I'll come around and help.